If you open the bundle you just created, you're gonna see on container number this go to, which will take you to the container you just created. Here in list of containers, you're gonna see the container and you can open it. After that, you can add the status from this container. You can also notice that the date from this container is the same date from the bundle. Add the terms and click in Save. If you go to the bottom, you're gonna see the bundle you added to this container and the slabs with the bundle. Save in sync with QuickBooks and refresh the page. Now you're gonna have displayed this Go to QuickBooks. Click on it and the QuickBooks page will be open. This is the bill page with the container's name. Here you can see all the slabs from the bundle. On QuickBooks, if you go to Sales, you're gonna be able to see the slabs and the quantity on hand, that is now 1, because now you placed an order to this bundle.